Today's topic is to execute a string of a code in a Python. So how does it, we are going to do is we have an execute statement in the Python. So if we want to run a block of a code of a Python which consists of the loops or the conditions or even the exceptional cases, that is if try and exceptional. So if you want to run the code of those particular things in a Python which are stored in a particular string, then you can run it using an execute statement. So first we are going to create a function, name and execute. I mean, we aren't creating a function, it is a function, we are just executing that. After that we have an LOC which contains the block of our code which we need to run, and after that we are going to use an execute LOC, that is it's going to run this string of ours and it's going to after define it that what is the code and we can have the output, and after that we are calling the function. So over here what I've done is I've taken a number of the strings, that is I've taken a list which consists of the elements, and I need to check that if there is an even element present in the string or not. So I have used a for loop to go through each and every element, and an if condition, that is if it is contains an even element then print it, if it isn't then also print it, and after that I would use a break.